Ya bought draw fine. Ya bought draw. By emped draw no yet ye krom go ne ya hwehwe. Omu shoot two balls no. Unya ball no. If they one and kitchesa okose. Please how am here to for. Ono so papa to for. Who do baby abenya bia no. Who ya righter. One who ya lefter. One bigidi ye say e dey go baba.
Papa,
Half Ghana 0, Angola 0. Interesting first half, would you say, or you would say it's been a dull first half?
No, it's not. It's never been a dull first half. It's a game that I really expected to be tough like this, because history has shown that matches between Ghana and Angola tends to be very tough. And even the scoreline that you've seen, it's been 1-goal margin, 1-0, 2-1. So clearly the Angolans came with a plan. From the press conference that we had yesterday, the match presser, you saw that the Angolan coach was talking about the flexibility that Coach Otado has introduced. It tells you that he really knows the Black Stars lineup. And check about the back line that the Angolans came with. David Camo, the number 5 jersey, who is with Olympiacos, Kialonda Gaspar, the 6 jersey with Lecce, and then Kisinga. They are the guys manning the back line. They make sure Nurio Fortuna and the other guy at the right back who always fall at the back line to make sure that whenever they are under attack, they fall back to add up to the 3 to make 5. So it complicates the numbers because they limit the spaces. So our guys don't get opportunity to exploit those spaces. One thing that I'll be very impressed with is Elisha also has added a lot of numbers at the back line, because he used to support the center half just to make sure Ali Dusedu and then Tariq Lamte can also add up to the numbers when we are moving further. So Elisha also has been one of our brightest spots in the game. Thomas Partey has been holding the ball. I've been seeing some quality of movement from his side. But I think Mohamed Kudus, Abdul Fattah Isaku need to step up, because these are our schemers. They are our schemers who are supposed to hold the ball and make sure we can create those clear or decent opportunities to make sure we can score, or those set pieces. Jordan has been isolating at the up front. Antoine Semenyo has been doing a good job, but honestly, I think he is quite over-elaborating on the ball. He don't release the ball early. And I think these are the things that I've seen within the setup. But the Angolans came with a clear plan just to make sure that they will frustrate us. And their plan has been really working to perfection.
I think we've not seen a bad first half, but I think we've seen more of individual performance than teamwork. And I believe it is because some of the boys are just new to the team. If you look at Abdul Mumin, Elisha, who they've not had enough playing time with this team. So I think that going to the second half, we need to step up our performance, especially with the way we are able to progress with the ball. I think our finishing is becoming a problem. And so the forward line, the likes of Jordan Ayew, needs to step up their performance. And then Thomas Partey, we are relying a lot more on him because of his qualities. I mean, he should be able to release the ball very quickly so that progression of the ball can also become very easy for Kudus Mohammed and the other players as well.